How to make Google Chrome your default browser on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then you can see different options over here. So tap on Settings. As you do that, you can see the option of Google Services over here. So tap on Google Services and make sure that you toggle on all these options over here. So this will allow Chrome to sign in and help improve Chrome's features and performance, make searches and browsing better, and improve search suggestions. Next, go back and then what you can do is tap on Accessibility and then go back and then tap on site settings as well and make sure that you have toggle on the option for browsing. So after that you can just go back and make sure that you have made Google Chrome your default browser on Android phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.